Hello and welcome back to Just the Chords. Today we are looking at The Tortured Poets Department, the title track from Taylor Swift's album, The Tortured Poets Department. This song only features 4 chords. We'll take a look at those 4 chords, and then we'll see how they make a pattern to get through the song, and then we'll look at the song as a whole lastly. Let's get to those chords. We start on a lovely C major. C, E, G. Our C major chord starts the song. Home bass, C major, C, E, G. We'll do that for 2 measures. Then we'll take it to an F major. F, A, C. F major, F, A, C. A little later on, we'll get to an A minor chord. Spell that A, C, E. A minor, A, C, E. Gives us some minor flavor and emotion for the piece. Then we'll go to our G chord. Last chord we're going to learn G major, G, B, D. G major, G, B, D. Review those as needed. Let's get to the pattern walkthrough. Like I said, we start on C major, C, E, G. Every section of the song, the verse, the chorus, the bridge, will start with that C major for 2 measures. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then to that F for 2 measures. Back to that C for 2 measures. And then that F for 2 measures. Pretty easy. Like I said, every section will start with that. The verse, the chorus, the bridge. 2 measures of C, 2 measures of F, 2 measures of C, 2 measures of F. Here's where we get to vary it. We start to walk down the piano a little more, starting on that A minor. For 1 measure, A minor to G, down to C, up to F, A minor, and it all starts over again. Let's start at that A minor one more time. Single measures. Ready, 2, 3, and A minor, G major, to that C, to that F, A minor, G major. It all starts again on that C. Let's try the whole song. I think you will get this very quickly. Starting on verse 1, my left hand's going to play the roots, meaning just the chord's name. If it's a C chord, I play Cs. If it's an F chord, I play Fs. Just giving myself some octaves, some textures. If it's A minor, I play my As. If it's G, I play my Gs. Easy way to fill out some piano sound. My right hand will do what you saw, the chords, starting on C, C, E, G. 1, 2, ready, verse 1. Go to F. Go to C. Back to F. Ready, here's the minor walk down. A, G, C, F, A, G. Chorus, C. C, playing the notes around. Ready, minor pattern. Patti Smith, this ain't the Chelsea Hotel. We're modern idiots. Just gonna hold you. Back to that C pattern. Nobody. 2 measures of C, always. Ready, verse 2. Start on C. Bars of chocolate. Charlie Puth. Golden Retriever, A minor. measures and A minor. I'm not Patti Smith, St. Chelsea Hotel. Who's gonna already keep it rocking? Nobody. Restart for the bridge. Less movement. Ready, A minor, at dinner you take my ring. Alt chorus, who's gonna hold you? Who's gonna know me? You're not Dylan Thomas, I'm not Patti Smith. C, F, A minor, G, ready. Post chorus. Can break up those chords. Outro. You left your typewriter in my apartment, straight from the Tortured Poets Department. PSD codes, play out, see. Back and forth. It'll fade out. End it there, or if your ear likes the nice settling, come back to C. Awesome job. Please replay that with me. We'll only get better and better, and then check out another video and play on.